Okay, out of the lab questions, the last two here, mainly that last one, I figure you might have some trouble with. So in case you do, let's look at it. It says, what is the net force acting on the textbook in this case? So by this time, you should have had 10 newtons of force acting on your textbook, and you're analyzing what happens when friction is present on that book. So on your simulation, make sure you have 10 newtons of force, and we're looking at the forces graph to answer this question. So when you click on go, if you haven't zoomed in, you'll just see that line at the very bottom. What we can do is zoom all the way in so we can actually see what's happening. We have a friction force that's negative, it's against the motion. We have your applied force of 10, and your total force there is 3.9. Of course, once it hits the wall, then that will go to 0, and they're kind of canceling out. Okay, while it was in motion, that's what we care about. So I'm going to clear my graph. Yes, I want to clear, and look at that one more time. It would help if I put in my newtons. Going go. Yes, clear. Once again, applied force of 10, that friction force of negative 6.1. Now if you add those two together, you get your total force, 3.9. That's what they're asking for in problem 28. What is the net force or total force acting on the textbook?